Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an event registration form in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to gather attendee information for webinars or team events, making the whole registration process streamlined and professional. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account where you want to host your event. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation panel. Here, click on Calendar. This section is where all your scheduled meetings and events live, and it's also where we'll be setting up your registration form. Now look toward the upper right corner of the calendar view. You'll see a button labeled New with a small arrow beside it. Click on that arrow to reveal a drop-down menu with different event options. From this menu, select Webinar. Choosing Webinar is important because it unlocks the registration features we need to build our form. After selecting Webinar, you'll be taken to the Event Setup page. On the left side of this page, you'll notice several options. Click on Configuration, which you'll find under the Registration section. This is where you can customize how attendees will register for your event. Before we start adding fields, it's a good idea to click Save to ensure your progress is stored. This way, if anything happens, you won't lose the work you've already done. Once you've saved, you'll see an option labeled Form appear. Click on it to begin building your registration form. Now comes the fun part, customizing the fields to collect the information you need. Click on Add Field to start adding your first custom question. From the options that appear, select Custom Question, then choose Text Input. In the text box, type something like full name. This will be the first piece of information attendees provide. To make this field mandatory, toggle the required option on. This ensures no one can skip this important detail. Next, click Add Field again, and this time select Address from the list. This is useful if you need location information from your attendees. Continue by clicking Add Field once more and select Job Title. Then, repeat the process and add organization. These fields help you understand who's attending and where they're coming from, which can be valuable for follow-ups or analytics. Now, if you need attendees to agree to any terms or conditions, click Add Field again, select Custom Question, and this time choose Checkbox. In the text field, type something like I agree to the terms and conditions. This creates a checkbox that attendees must tick before they can complete their registration. You can repeat these steps as many times as you need until you've built a registration form that perfectly suits your event's requirements. Feel free to add any additional custom questions or standard fields that will help you gather the information you need. Once you're satisfied with your form, click Publish Site. This finalizes your registration form and makes it live for attendees to start signing up. And that's it. You've successfully created an event registration form in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.